Hello friends, Jai Swaminarayan. I am Rajendra Patel, Standard 6 English Medium Subject Maths, Chapter 3, Playing with Numbers. Exercise 3.7, sum number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Friends, last period we studied about LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple, and in previous period we studied about SCF. SCF means highest common factor. So with the help of SCF and LCM both, we are going to study about exercise 3.7. Last period we studied sum number 1 of exercise 3.7. Today we are going to study about the sum number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In these all sum we use LCM, otherwise SCF, then find the answer. So look the sum number 2 first. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their step measure 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete step? ऐसा कौन सा डिस्टेंस है जो तीनों सेम स्टेप, मतलब 400 स्टेप, दूसरे का भी 400, थर्ड का भी 400, ऐसे स्टेप को वो मेज़र कर सके. नाउ हाउ वी कैन फाइंड? फ्रेंड्स, here you can see we have given 3 digit 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 70 centimeter. But look here, this is the word minimum. When you have given least, smallest, minimum, then you have to find LCM. Friends, we are going to find the LCM of 63, 70 and 77. We know prime factor and divisible test. With the help of this both, we can find the LCM. Look here, odd number, but here even, so we can divide it by 2. 63 as it is, 35, 77 as it is. Now there is no even number from all these things, so we start from 3. 21, we can't divide it. 35, we can't divide by 77 by 3. Then 3 again, because we can divide 21 by 7. Now 35 as it is and 77 also as it is. Now we can't divide it any number by 3, because 5 plus 3 8, 7 can't divide by 3, and 7 plus 7 14, 14 can't divide by 3. So 5 7 7 is 35 and 77 as it is. Now 7, 1, 1 and 11. Lastly 11, 1, 1 and 1. So look here, the LCM of 63, 70 and 77 is the multiplication of all these digits. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 11. Now the multiplication of 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So all the multiplication 2 3 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18, 18 5 ja 90, 90 and 11 7 ja 77. Do the multiplication of 77 and 9. Then add 0. 9 7 ja 63. Here 6. 9 7 ja again 63. 63 and 6 69. Add 0 here and 6930. So this is the answer after 6930 step. Cover distance, they have same step. So this is when you have given minimum, you have to find LCM. Sum number 3, the length, breadth and height of a room are 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter respectively. Find the longest step. Friends, here we have given the words longest step, which can measure the dimensions of the room exactly. Dimensions means length, breadth and height. All these things can measure. Friends, we have to find a tap. We have to find a tap which can measure the dimensions of the room easily, but we have given here longest. So we find SCF. SCF of 825, 675 and 450. So how we know we can find the SCM by the prime factor method. So first I do the prime factor of 825. Check it. We can divide. I can't divide it this number by 2 because last unit digit is odd. Check. We can divide it this number by 3. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 15 divided by 3. So this number also divided by 3. Now 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9 more. So 3 2 ja 6. 2 remain, 2 here. 3 7 ja 21. 1 remain here. 3 5 ja 15. Now 3 again because 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 4 14. We can't divide it this number by 3 again. Now 5. 5 5 ja 25. 2 remain, put here 25. 5 5 ja 25. Again 5. 11 ja 11 1 ja 11. Now the prime factor of 675. 675. We can't divide it by 2. Goes 3, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 6, 18. 18 can divide by 3. So this whole number also divide by 3. Now 3 2 ja 6. Again 3 2 ja 6. 1 is remain. So 3 5 ja 15. Now again check. We can divide by 3. So 2 plus 2 4 plus 5 9. 9 can divide by 3. So this whole number also divide by 3. Now 3 7 ja 21. From 22 21 minus 1 remain. Put here 3 5 ja 15. Now we have 75. We can divide by 3. So 7 plus 5 12. So we can divide by 12 by 3, so whole number by 3. Then 3 2 ja 6, 1 remain, 3 5 ja 50. Now 2 plus 5 7, 7 can't divide by 3, so we can't divide it this 25 by 3. So go ahead, number 5. 5 5 ja 25. This is the prime factor of 675. Now 1 remaining, 450. 450 divide by 2 because last unit digit is even. 2 2 ja 4, again 2 2 ja 4, 1 remaining, 2 5 ja 15. Look here, 225, we have the prime factor of 225 here. So right, 375, 325, 5, 5. Now we have the prime factor of 825, 675 and 450. I write here 825, 3 into 5 into 5 into 11. Now 675 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now 450, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now we have to find the HCF. How we can find the HCF? So look here friends, first find which digit or number is common. Here 3, 3 and 3. So this is common. In 825, 675, 450. Right? 3 is common. Now, which other number is common? So look here, it is 5. It is also 5 and it is also 5. Other 11, but here nothing 11, here nothing 11, here 3, but here nothing, other 3. Therefore 5, 5 and 5. So 3, 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 5, 5. The HCF of 825, 675 and 450 is 3 into 5 into 5 is equal to 75. So we have a measure tape of 75 centimeter to measure the dimensions of the room exactly. So this is sum number 3. Now sum number 4. Sum number 4 is determine the smallest 3 digit. Determine the smallest 3 digit number which exactly divide by 6, 8 and 12. ऐसा 3 डिजिट वाला सबसे छोटा नंबर फाइंड कीजिए जिसको हम 6, 8 और 12 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. फ्रेंड्स 3 डिजिट वी नो द स्मॉलेस्ट 3 डिजिट नंबर इज 100, but 100 can't divide by 6, 8 and 12 all numbers. So first we find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. Now LCM of 6, 8 and 12. Look here, I do here rough work. We want to find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. Start from 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12. 3 can't divide but both are divided by 2, so 3 as it is, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, now 2 3 as it is, 1 3 as it is, 3 1 ja 3. Now the LCM of 6, 8 and 12, the multiplication of 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 3 is equal to LCM of is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 24. Friends, 24 is the multiple of all number 6, 8 and 12, because 6 4 ja 24, 8 3 ja 24 and 12 2 ja 24. So we can divide 24 by 6, 8 and 12 with remainder 0. So 24 is a multiple of whole number. Now with the help of 24 we can find the multiple of 24 which has 3 digits. Now look here, multiples of 24, 48, 24 to the 48, 72, 96, 24, 5, 120 and 6 ja 144. But friends, 24, 48, 72, 96, all number has only 2 digits. We want 3 digit smallest. Friend, 120 is the smallest and 3 digit number which can exactly divide by 6, 8 and 12, because 120 is a multiple of 6, multiple of 8 and multiple is 12 also. So 120 is a number which we can exactly divide by 6, 8 and 12. Now friends, sum number 5. Determine the greatest 3 digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Here 3 digit smallest, but here 3 digit greatest. Friends, we know the greatest 3 digit number is 999, 999. 999 is the greatest 3 digit number, but can we divide 999 by 8, 10 and 12? So how we can find? So first we have to find the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. 8, 10 and 12. First find the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. Eight, 10 and 12. 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, so 2 6 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4, 5 as it is, 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, 5 as it is, 3 is it. Now 3 as it is, 5, 3 1 ja 3. Lastly 5, 5 1 ja 5, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 3 ja 24, 5 ja 120. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 120. Friends, now LCM of 8, 10 and 12 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 120. Now we want to find the greatest 3 digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Now how we can find? So friends, we divide 999 by 120. Look here, how we can divide it? So 12 8s are 96, 960, 930. Friends, 39 is remainder. Remainder is minus from 999. We can find answer. So 999 minus 39, 960. 960 is the smallest digit number which can divide by 8, 10 and 12 exactly. Now, sum number 6. The traffic lights at the different road crossing change after exactly 40 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 am, at what time which they change simultaneously again? Means simultaneously means एक साथ. There are three types of the traffic lights at the different road crossing change. There are three different road at the crossroad. Suppose one has light yellow and green light. These all lights are spark means light simultaneously at 7 am as 7 am एक साथ वो स्पार्क होती है, मतलब लाइट होती है. एट व्हाट टाइम विल दे चेंज सिमुलेटेनियसली अगेन? दूसरा ऐसा कौन सा टाइम है जो एक साथ वो लाइट होगी, मतलब एक साथ वो स्पार्क होगी. नाउ friends, we have given 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds. First we find the LCM of 48, 872 and 108. Friends, the LCM of LCM of 48, 72 and 108, 224, 36 and half, 54, 2, 12, 18, 27. अभी भी 2 से 2, 6, 9, we can't divide it this two numbers. 2, 3, 9 as it is 27, then 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 9 ja 27, 3 1 3, now 3, now LCM of 2, 48, 72 and 108 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now the LCM of all are 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16. Here 16. 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. Multiplication of 27 and 16. Put 0, 7 1 ja 7, 2 1 ja 2, 6 7 ja 42. Here 4. 6 2 ja 12 and 4, 16. 2. 30 and 432. 432. After 432 seconds, all these three light simultaneously at spark means light at 432 seconds. But friends, we have a answer in second. How can we find the number in minute? So divide by 60 because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Divide this number by 60. Friends, here 463. So 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. Look here 43. So directly 6 7 ja 42, 420. Here 2. Here 1 and here 0. After 7 minutes and 12 seconds. 7 minutes and 12 seconds. 432 seconds means 7 minutes and 12 seconds. So what is the time will they change simultaneously again? At 7 o'clock, 7 minutes and 12 seconds. This is o'clock, this is minute and second. 7:07 or 12 second time, they all are simultaneously against. Friends, here we completed the sum number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Jai Swaminarayan.